Hello programmers, welcome back to another problem solving video. So today I will show how to solve the third problem, simple calculator. So let's open this one. So here it says given two numbers x and y, print the summation and multiplication and subtraction of these two numbers. So basically it gives me two numbers 5 and 10 and I have to print like this output. Okay, I have to maintain this format. So let's get started. Uh, just copy the question name, paste it, and add .cpp at the end. Done. So hash include bit/stdc++.h in using namespace std integer main. Okay. So what I have to do, I have to take two inputs from the user x and y. So the x and y input value is 10 to the power 5, so I can take uh, integer, but as I can see here is a multiplication part, so I have to take long, not integer actually, long xy, then c in right shift xy. Okay, my input part is done. So let's calculate the output. C out. So at first print the value of x, then a space, then a plus sign, then another space, then print the value of y, then print a space, then equal sign, then another space. Okay, then print the final output, actually the sum result. Okay, so my first part is completed. So now I have to print the second part, so just duplicate this line thrice, sorry, actually twice. So change the plus symbol to minus, sorry, it's the product symbol because the second one is product, so replace it, and third one is minus sign, minus and minus. So my solution is done. Let's copy the input sample g++ simple calculator.cpp, run this file. Okay, here I get 15, 50 and minus 5, uh, just in the I can see the left part. Okay, so now I can submit the source code, browse, then simple calculator, submit. Okay, accepted. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next problem, which is difference. Okay, till then, bye bye.